My name is Scott Graneman. I work at Web Sanity. The size of our company is 3 full-time employees, all partners, and then we have several people that we employ part-time or on retainer to do various programming tasks for us.
My name's Mark Lammert, and I run my own multimedia company called Master Key Interactive. And right now, Master Key Interactive consists of myself and my business partner. And whenever we need different or additional developers, we typically outsource that or hire freelancers.
Yeah, for me, I do a number of things, but currently I'm working for a company called Certara. Certara is related to chemical software, chemistry software, but I work in operations where we do web design, we do scripting, we do a lot of geeky stuff. Certara is fairly large, a couple hundred people.
My name is Jen Rieger, and this is Chris Rubin de Labraboya. We work for 963 Collective. We're co-owners of the company, and it has approximately 10 people working at it at any given time.
The types of projects that we do at Master Key Interactive vary greatly. We create things from just your basic website. Sometimes we might not be doing a website, but we're actually doing a web application that will be integrated into an existing website. We have done multimedia kiosks that are at museums and baseball stadiums. And some of those kiosks are not just information gathering kiosks. We've done things where people will go in and take a photo of themselves, or they will go in and take a video of themselves.
A lot of design, interactive design, web design, development, social media.
Well, Web Sanity is a web development company, so the way we operate is a little different than other web development companies in that we do not design the sites per se. Instead, a client calls us and says we'd like a website. We explain to them that all of our sites are on the same content management system. It's an open source content management system called Concrete 5, or C5 for short. We host the sites on our CMS on Amazon's infrastructure, is where we host everything. And we will develop the site for the client. We will use either a designer that they pick, if they work with a design firm that they use often and they're comfortable with, or we can recommend a designer at varying levels of expense, depending on the size of the project and the budget of the client.
I am a project guy, and what I mean by that, I've done everything from web interactive. I've worked on mastering DVDs for companies like Elsevier, all the way up to some of my own work and projects. One I'll talk about called Virtual Lawnmower, which is adapting a video game for a museum exhibit.
Interactive digital media, I would probably define that as any media where, not to use the same word interactive, but where the user is interacting with a device or with an application that's running on a device, whether that be a web browser, a phone, a multimedia kiosk that's at a museum or the grocery store, something like that.
For me, it's really any new media that is interactive and that many users can have an experience. Nowadays, so much is about having a user experience as opposed to the older websites and things you saw. So it can encompass all kinds of different media, games, mobile devices, website, and a lot of other things like that.
Interactive digital media covers a lot of stuff. Obviously, the word interactive implies that people are using it, doing something with it, using it to get information, add information, produce information, work with information. Digital media, of course, would be the computer age we're in now.
Interactive media is things that I can get in and play with, whether it's on the web, it's on my cell phone, or on a video game console, or just some other kind of novel interface that I can play with and is digital itself. It's computer programmed.